finally came. This is going to be a short video.
Straight up.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, man. And the UTOPIA Travis Scott Air Force Ones finally came. I don't know if I even should put that music. That's usually reserved for like early reviews. But yo, 6 weeks. When it tell you on that website ships in 3 weeks, ships in 6 weeks, believe it. But they finally came. Now if I could get Union to ship my Jordan 1, whatever you call those, we in business. Guys, it's an Air Force One. It says UTOPIA. It's an Air Force One. Good thing I got something else to feel graceful about. Uniqlo shipped hella quick. Like right away. I just purchased the Uniqlo KAWS new collab. I'll show y'all a little bit. I know this is a Travis Scott review, but let me show y'all one shirt for now, and then I'll do a full review later. One that I really liked was the pink joint. I got not a million, but I got a lot of the shirts with the X on the eyes, and you know when they did the Sesame Street, I brought all of them. But yeah, this is the one that caught my eye, but we'll do a full review on these. Back to the UTOPIA joints. Now, when Drake came out with the Air Force Ones, I didn't bite because I'm not an Air Force One dude. It's something about Travis Scott, man. I don't know if it's because when it comes to his releases, they've been fire. And I said, let me try the Air Force One, but it's just an Air Force One, guys. And I'm going to give y'all this advice with the Terror Squad joints coming out. I mean, if you're a big fan of Fat Joe, do your thing. You're a big fan of Air Force Ones, do your thing. But it's no difference, guys. And I've been talking too long. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that classic Nike Air Force One box and the platinum gray. I think actually they came out with this platinum gray before that classic Jordan box, to be honest. I know they did have orange, but I remember seeing this platinum gray on the Air Force One before I saw it on the Jordan. It reads Air Force One 07 white or blanc. Nothing about Travis Scott, nothing SP, none of that. When you flip open the lid, you got the AF1 branding on the tissue. Nothing else special in the box. And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Air Force One UTOPIA. So, I mean, like I told y'all, this is going to be a short one, guys. Like, it feels like I'm just reviewing the Air Force One, guys. It's an all triple white Air Force One. Like it said, the 2007 version. The only thing's different is this UTOPIA logo, guys. And it does look like it's handwritten by Travis Scott himself or maybe his daughter. But this all you get, guys. You do get the Cactus Jack logo, also very small there, with the big UTOPIA with like the U kind of missing. And that's it, guys. I mean, I feel like they should have gave us some like brown shoelaces or some pink shoelaces to really knock that Travis Scott situation out the park. But triple white, guys. Everything's white. Everything, guys. The inside, you don't get a shoe tree. You get tissue paper. And here reads since 82. But that's an Air Force One thing. That has nothing to do with Travis Scott. The inside is also white. The tongue, the tag is even white, guys. And the bottom, of course, is white too. This is the right shoe here. It reads Nike Air Force One on the inside. The left one read since 1982. You do get the same Utopia reversed on the other side. Cactus Jack logo. Air Force One, what you call that? Lace lock. Did the other one have this? I thought I was bugging. Yeah, both lace locks say AF1. One doesn't say Travis Scott. Nothing's changed there. You just get the Utopia joint on each side, guys. Now, when it comes to Travis Scott, man, I like to support as much as I can. As you can see, I got all the sneakers. And if it's not there, they're either over there or I just sold them. I remember getting the Air Force One. That was a long time ago. If you was rocking with me since then, wow, you've been rocking with me. I'll try to find that old video. But I got the Travis Scott Air Force Ones also, and I'll try to find that video. And they were way better than these. Like, way better. I can see why prices has plummeted, guys. I paid retail from the Travis Scott website $185. Shipped to me 3 weeks, 4 weeks later. I remember StockX and GOAT had it roughly for $230, $280. Right now, you could get this sneaker off StockX or GOAT for about $110, guys. So again, if you're an Air Force One fan, this is for you. But you have to be an Air Force One fan because it's going to be hard to see this Utopia if you just buying it because you're a Travis Scott fan. Real talk, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell. I'm going to do the KAWS review later this week. I promise you guys. Everybody, get rich.